Name is Michael Odusami, and today I want to show you the application that ended up winning first place at Marriott's Codes Fest, which is a 48-hour hackathon. Our application aimed to not only increase efficiency with hotel resources and have them manage their resources better while also tending to their customers, but we also wanted customers to feel included and to have a well-lasting, very good stay at whichever hotel they choose to be at. So, today I will walk you through the mobile application, which is for customers. There is a web application, which is to do with hotel management, resources, and efficiency. But since I worked on the mobile app for this hackathon, this is what I want to present to you guys. So, moving on, we click next on the home page, and you can see a list of prompts to select our hotel partner. Now, if I am a customer and I'm staying at, let's say, Peregrine this week, then I would choose Peregrine as my hotel partner. So I connect with Peregrine, and then am able to sign in using my details. So let's use details, agree to the terms and conditions. And as you sign in, you're prompting with, your trips. Here you can see your ongoing trips that are going on. So right now, I've checked in February 5th, and I check out tomorrow, February 6th, and we can see some room information and some amenities, different things. We can also request the hotel some services, which I'll get into soon, and you can see community events that are going on as you're staying at this hotel. Moving on, we have upcoming trips just so you know what's going on in the future, and you can also get recommendations. These recommendations were AI generated and basically give us, what's going on around our stay, what do we like? And these are all based on our user preferences, which I will get to in a moment. As well, we can see your past bookings, just for user accessibility if you want to see your past bookings, and you can also contact the hotel in case anything happens. So going back to the request that I talked about, let's say I'm a customer and I'm staying in a hotel and I want some toiletries. I can click this button and toiletries request will be sent to the web application where hotels can manage, their users and their resources a lot better. So upon hitting request, I can come to this request tab. Now, usually customers don't know what's going on. They can call the front desk and request a towel, but they don't know the process on when that towel is going to get there. So here we create a dashboard for the user so they know exactly what's going on with the hotel. So if I click pending, this is the request I've just made just now. And if I go to in progress, you see, there's nothing there right now, but obviously hotels would be able to mark your request as in progress as well as completed, just so you know what's going on. And all this backend functionality is done in the web interface. So you can only imagine when a user makes a request, they will be able to handle it on a nice interface and process your request efficiently. Moving on, we have a chatbot using RAG capabilities and a bunch of accessibility options. You can see you can ask the chatbot for some dinner ideas that are, around your accessibility, around your configurations or your user preferences, just so you know what's going on around you. You have, a pool hour so you can see what time the hotel. And as well, I want to point out that there's also different languages in here. You can choose a variety of languages such as French, whatever, and just for user accessibility. And just to show you what the main page uses, just some quick options you can choose: check-in, room service for your current stay, and you just have different things. Leave a review, download influence for your past stay, and all of the above. So moving on to our profile page, we have the user profile. You can see they're a member of the hotel they're staying at, and this is where you can set your user preferences. Now, your user preferences are very important because, as I went over in the beginning, setting these user preferences will enable the AI not only to answer your queries better in the chat bot, but it will also be able to give you personalized recommendations about what's going on during your stay. So here you can check off some different user preferences that you would typically encounter if you were staying in a hotel, such as pillow type, number of pillows, dietary restriction, and more. As well as you can change settings. Let's say you have dyslexia, you can toggle this and you can see different fonts for dyslexia mode. And you can also sign out and delete your account in case you don't want your information to be stored with us any longer. So this is the mobile application we made. Once again, we also did make a web application, but I did not show that since this is what I worked on. And I hope you really enjoyed. If you have any more questions about how this worked or want to get into touch with me about how I created this within 48 hours along with my teammate, please shoot me an email. I will leave my email in the description or on my website. And thank you for watching.